Yes, 30 years after the Hillsborough disaster in which 96 football fans lost their lives, the judge, Sir Peter Openshaw here at Preston Crown Court, has decided that the match commander on the day, Chief Superintendent David Duckenfield, should face a retrial on a charge of gross negligence manslaughter. There's very little, for legal reasons, that we can add to that at the moment, other than to say that this retrial will take place on the 7th of October, also here at Preston Crown Court, and it will be heard by the same judge, Sir Peter Openshaw. The reason that David Duckenfield faces a charge of gross negligence manslaughter against 95 of the fans and not 96 is that the last one, Tony Bland, died more than a year and a day after the disaster, and according to the law at the time could not be included in any subsequent charges. So David Duckenfield, who is now 74 and lives in Dorset, will return to Preston Crown Court in October to face the retrial in front of a jury.
And Michael, is there any other outstanding legal cases in connection to Hillsborough still?
There is another hearing that was due to take place later this year involving a solicitor and a former police officer. We can't say much about that either, but that has now been moved back to next year, ostensibly to make way for the trial of David Duckenfield here at Preston Crown Court. The judge said in delivering his decision this morning that he had refused the application by Mr. Duckenfield's barristers to stay the retrial, that is to stop it in effect. The hearing here at Preston Crown Court this morning was relayed to a group of bereaved family members in Liverpool who apparently cheered, shouted and clenched their fists when they heard the outcome.